Ship crane wire replacement is a critical task that demands our full attention and adherence to best practices. The importance of replacing crane wire cannot be overstated. Worn or damaged wire can lead to catastrophic failures, risking lives and causing significant financial loss. Regular inspections and timely replacements are essential to ensure the safety and efficiency of operations. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of replacing crane wire. First, always start with a thorough inspection of the existing wire. Look for signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion. If you notice any of these issues, it's time to replace the wire. Next, ensure you have the right tools and equipment. You'll need a wire rope cutter, a spooling device, and appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and safety glasses. Once you've gathered your tools, begin by disconnecting the old wire from the crane. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for disconnection. After that, carefully remove the old wire, taking care to avoid any sharp edges that could cause injury. With the old wire out of the way, it's time to prepare the new wire. Measure the length required and cut it to size, ensuring you leave a little extra for spooling. Now, it's crucial to properly attach the new wire to the crane. Use the correct termination method as specified by the manufacturer, whether it's a swaged fitting or a mechanical splice. This step is vital for maintaining the integrity of the wire and ensuring it can handle the loads it will bear. As you work, be aware of potential hazards. Crane operations can be unpredictable, and loose wires can pose a serious risk. Always communicate with your team and ensure everyone is aware of the ongoing work. Establish a safe zone around the crane to keep unauthorized personnel at a distance. Safety practices are paramount. Always wear your personal protective equipment and ensure that your work area is clean and organized. Conduct a risk assessment before starting the replacement process. This includes identifying potential hazards and implementing measures to mitigate them. Regular safety drills and training sessions can also help reinforce these practices. It's important to be aware of international regulations regarding crane operations and wire replacement. Familiarize yourself with standards set by organizations such as OSHA and ISO. Compliance with these regulations not only ensures safety, but also protects your organization from legal liabilities. In the event of an accident, knowing basic first aid can make a significant difference. Ensure that first aid kits are readily available on site and that team members are trained in basic first aid procedures. This includes knowing how to treat cuts, bruises, and more serious injuries. In conclusion, the replacement of ship crane wire is not just a routine maintenance task. It's a critical safety measure that requires diligence and adherence to best practices. By following the steps outlined, staying aware of potential hazards, and complying with regulations, we can ensure a safe working environment for everyone involved. Remember, safety and compliance are not just checkboxes, they are essential components of our operations.